Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now you need to scroll down, and at the bottom we have version, so right here you can check your software version, and also you can click on it and check your current version here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!